Goedemorgen.
Goedemorgen.
Alles goed zo. Hi. Good morning. Efteling again. Good morning. Kumusta ang lahat? Happy New Year. This is the vlog for the New Year, Dodo.
Oh, yeah. It's almost New Year.
Ay, buntag. I only slept, I don't know. I went to sleep almost 2 o'clock now. Dodo. Nagkasaba cake ako last night. Mga 3 salang. Kasi maliit yung aming oven ba. Tapos, kailangan lumamig muna bago ko sila isil. Tapos ilagay sa ref. Yan, may mga hugasin pa ako dyan na hindi ko na niligpit kagabi kasi wala na guys. Hindi na kaya. Ito, yung kasaba. Kinuna na ni Ruth. Tapos yan. Pang New Year lang naman. Ano po ang mga handa nyo sa New Year? Kami dito, hindi naman malaki yung handaan talaga. Kasi hindi man mahilig sa handaan yung mga Dutch. Ano lang kami mamaya, snack, tsaka mga inumin lang, yun. I was telling them buang ate here, you don't really prepare, or like in the Filipina, it's like feast. When there's celebration, not only
drinks.
New Year.
It's more drinks.
Yeah, yun lang.
And of course some food, but not Filipino style.
Yeah,
You
yun.
don't have lechon.
Wala, no lechon. Last time, we did barbecue. I mean, last time we were in France, but the year before that, dito kami nag-barbecue. Sabi ko kay Ruth, di na kami nag-barbecue dito sa loob ng bahay. Yung electric grill lang ba? Kasi baho dito sa loob. Tapos, buti sana kung 1 hour or 1 hour lang mag-grill. Talagang tuloy-tuloy hanggang sa New Year's Eve or hanggang gusto pang kumain. So, ilang hours ba?
Ja, kom. En opvang toe.
You're not going to the Obang. Oy, tomorrow you will.
No, tomorrow also not.
Tomorrow not?
It's 1st January, I think it's closed.
Oh yeah, klopt. I was thinking, yeah,
And
klopt.
tomorrow is Monday.
Tuesday ba I mean Tuesday. Dalawa. Kanya, seryoso siya sa show niya. Magkamukha ba sila? Maraming nagsasabi na sila ang magkamukha. What are you eating, love? Hagelslag? Why are you eating hagelslag?
Hagelslag eten?
Hola!
Ja, dat is waar.
Itlog. Naalala ko cake. Lagyan ko ulit na sriracha. Kain. Nag-cut ako ng guys, ito. Cucumber. Para may freshness naman yung ating banh mi. So, yan. Oh, lekker. Lekker. Sana mag-tomato lang pala ako. Ayan. Nag-ano ba kayo guys yung 12 ba yun or 13? 12 na round na fruits para sa New Year. Ako hindi ako gumagawa nun. Kasi ang swerte, kung gusto talaga nating makuha yung gusto natin the next year or yung mga plano natin, hindi tayo nagre-rely sa swerte, di ba? Talagang ginagawa natin ng paraan. Mas importante ang effort kaysa sa swerte. Harap po. Try nyo ang banh mi na to. Don't film it, Mama. You don't want to eat cucumber? Are you a baby now? Are you a baby? Manikot sa mama, baby. Sakit ka, ayo. Utok ko. Ben your mama's baby? Okay, ay! Ayaw lang. Palangga ni mama, eh. Isa ni palangga ni mama. Pag-count lang usabi o siya. Duha. Husga? Upat. Oh no. Napa! Bigi, muta ka lang. Nakay muta, baby. Get your muta, baby. Okay, muta. Oy, nga, ang imuhang baba, oy, nagbulit man as chocolate, oy. Let's clean up na. Soon. And Papa is done taking a bath. Let's wash up, ha?
I don't want to.
You don't want to wash up.
I don't want to go to bath.
To where?
I don't want to go to bath.
Bath? No, not in the bath. Uy, we already took a bath last night. May imong kugmo, kigwaha. Wow, buda ng kugmo, ay. Say hello. Hi.
Hi.
Hello, everybody. What's your name?
Anna.
How old are you, Anna? 3? What's your papa's name? And your mama? And your auntie? Yeah, Auntie Clarice. Auntie Rochelle.
And mommy.
And Auntie Apple. Mommy?
Kissy.
Daddy? Daddy? Wala, nakalimot sa mga sayang daddy. Daddy? Chola?
Jaya.
Oma? What's the name of your Oma? Wala, nakalimot po.
Honey.
And your Opa?
Peter.
And your Mama?
And Young.
Ang umayos. And your Mama? Uy, what's my
I
name?
did it.
What's my name, love? What's my name? Sige na eh, patiwasa ko kaon na yun guys. Halfway lang ako sa badmi ko guys. Sinabi niya sa akin, Mama, makikinufula. Gusto niyang magkadol-kadol naman kami. Ano po itong mga bata? Sweet na bata. Tok? Dali na, sige na pa. Tiwasa ko sa akong gikaon na, kay gutom ko lang. Mama, not do?
Mama hates me better, Ma.
Oh, that's not fine to, ah?
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry. I will do tomorrow.
Yeah.
That's what she always do. She always says no if you don't do that. Kasi hindi ko inayos yung higaan ko. Pinagalitan ako niya. Nung dinala siya ng papa niya sa taas para bihisan, tapos pagbalik dito, yun kaagad yung sinabi niya, you didn't make your bed. Namura. Yan din yung palagi niya sinasabi. Pinapagalitan niya yung papa niya pagdating sa bahay. No, hindi mo na naman inayos. Buang. Sometimes she says, like, isni crappy Amir. Sabi niya, that's not funny anymore.
You get extra views now, wow.
It's not live. Pati ka na mag-gawin. Yan, ready na ang aking tubig. I'm gonna make mashed potato. Diba? Sana all. May nagluluto.
Luto.
Sana all. Sa akin din, ako din pinagluluto. I said, if only someone could also cook for me.
I cook for you. I can teach it on alweer. Zou die rijden? Zou die mij?
You do the kuan later, Dodo.
Gewoon ja.
Dami.
Best.
This one ba? What's this?
Beef.
And may beef siya dito.
Biefstuk.
Kaya ako gagawa ng ano ng...
It's dier.
Kaya ako gagawa ng mashed potato para i-pair nito. I think we still have the...
Hallo.
Beetroot.
Is hij op?
Siya na yung aking mag-ama. Si Ana, Ana just ate pancit canton.
Indomie.
Tawagin doon niya, pancit canton. Oh, it's so... Oh!
I eat it a bit like a fifth one, but she eats almost a full package.
It's up. Say hello, B. Hello here. Ah! Not here, not too close here, Lama, because I'm making food. See?
Een stukje appel aan.
Ana, don't touch it, ha? Hindi. Palayo mong duha, palayo mo. Ano man, sa may ato? Hindi, ayun na, sige na, inom ang tubig dito. Ha? Thank you. Drink water lang, babe. Ano magulo yung aking kusina. Kasi ang daming hugasin na hindi pwede sa dishwasher na. Kailangan tong gawin mamaya. Ayan. Set tayo ng timer. 20 minutes. Walang need. Walang need. No, man! Sinasabi na naman ni Ana na wag siya tingnan. Ayan na naman, oh. It's happy birthday to you, ha? Happy birthday to you. Apple, and then mag-ice cream.
Voor mama.
Is my mama? Thank you. What's that, yeah?
Ja, gewoon, we hebben goed
Can you
gegeten.
please let her drink water first?
Mm.
Do you have water there?
Ze dronk al full ballen.
It's, sabi niya si Sinterklaas, si St. Nicholas daw to. Sinterklaas. Santa Claus. Dito tayo sa ano. Medyo nagligpit-ligpit ako kanina dito pero tingnan nyo naman. Itong dalawang to, puro kalat ng kalat. Yung mga coats namin, yung mga jacket, kinuha ko muna dito sa my coat rack. Yung tinira ko kay Ruth lang para pag lumabas siya mamaya, madali lang ba? Ano tayo ng ilaw? Yan, para may space mamaya yung ating bisita. Yan, 2-0 na. My other tripod is kaput for the phone. Buhay na buhay pa din yung ating Christmas tree. Gustong-gusto ko pag pag maraming Christmas lights. Buti na lang binigyan ako ng extra ng mother-in-law ko. Yan, 2-0 na. Ito yung favorite ko, si Sun Hong-min. It's almost 5 o'clock and then maaga kaming kakain para later medyo ready na ba? Para ready na kami kaagad. Medyo relax pa tayo ng konti kasi mga ilang minutes pa papakuloyin yung... Ha? Ompaok. Gusto niya yung mga barkada ng tatay niya. Para siyang, parang close siya ba? Pero nahihiya siya. Ikeb hongar. Pero kumain ako ng rice kanina. I came down because she already fell asleep. I came down to make food. The pork belly, 1 pork belly, 1 slice with shrimp paste. Yung dalawa kanina natutulog sa taas. Grabe yung tantrums ni Anna kanina, guys. That was the worst tantrum, Buang, ever. She was screaming like crazy, yeah. Yeah. I was waiting for her to to relax a bit. I was asking like, "Oh, are you okay now? Are you done?" No, she's like, she was really screaming, Buang, and kicking. And then, what do you need to do? What did Mama say that you need to do when you're angry? What do you need to do? Looking here? Yeah? Instead of screaming, toch? Grabe yung sigaw niya kanina ba. First time ko siyang nakita na ganun ka upset. Grabe. Talagang sigaw siya ng sigaw kasi gusto niyang doon matulog sa tatay niya. Kaso gusto namin na doon siya sa kwarto niya para makapagpahinga talaga yung tatay niya. So, instead na matulog din ako doon sa extra room, doon na lang sinamahan ko siya hanggang sa ma-relax siya ba. Tapos Lucelso is down. The yellow card. Nagalit siya. But anyway, later on, kumalma naman and then tinabihan ko, nakatulog siya. Nung nakatulog na siya, bumaba na ako dito. Mashed potato.
Cola. Doe goed, Bang, dankjewel.
Huh?
Is it dry?
It's not dry yet. Ayan napakolor. Madam ko, mga gang.
Mama, my iPad.
I know, but don't move it too much yet. It's not dry. Nood lang kami ng balita, guys.
So I cannot watch iPad.
You can't watch your iPad, diba? I told you to turn off your iPad when you're not using it. Pasagdaanan nini mo.
Dankjewel, mama.
Paibog siyang nails. Dali na, be. Diba? Vietnam, Thailand.
Oh, in the Philippines, when in New Year, man.
Yeah, already. I already saw pictures of my family.
Oh, it's so neat. I got fireworks.
Daraan ko
Dalawa kwan.
Ayan, si Ruth nasa labas. Hindi nyo makita kasi may, natin, be. May reflection ng Ayan. Ang Christmas tree. Sa Manay. It's done.
Mooi! Voor weg is dat.
Is klaar.
Deze van vuur, die moeten niet doen, hè?
Yung mga kapitbahay namin, grabe na yung fireworks, guys. As in. Wala pa nga, ano pa, magsi 7 o'clock pa lang, pero grabe na yung fireworks around. Ayan, nanonood na si Ana. Kanina pa yan, guys. Oh!
Is gewoon rode blauw.
Oh, dat is veel.
Blauw. Rode.
Dat is zoveel. Mama, oh. Hey! Yan. Humingi din siya ng juice, oh. Sana. Oh, apples holding. I like kami.
Zeven uur toch? Hij is Filipijn. Dat is wel zwaar. 6 uur.
Happy New Year! We're inside the house because Anna's scared. Wow! Mo ito? Let's say hello to the neighbors lang. Happy New Year!